Hello friends, today we'll see how to find the age. Age mean number a time period of employee in our company. You can find also the age, but here we'll consider the example from the employee name and date of joining. This is the example from one company. So we will see how many years they spend with us, but years will come in fraction. So let's try this one, and I will explain this also. Year fraction, start date, this date is start date, then end date we'll consider today, means up to today how many years they spend with us. End date we will add today formula, and then system is asking what is the type of year you are considering. 360 days in a year, 365, so I will consider 365, and then I will close the bracket. So you will see the employee age in our company in year fraction came out, and the next will be the data in years, months and in days with us. So the format will be a little different, but we'll try now. Let's start. It will start with text and then today, bracket close, minus their date of joining, bracket close, and this comma. We need in which format? We need in year. We need actually year. In which format system will ask? We need in years format, space. We need month. Now in which format you need month? In this format, and then space. Now days. In which format you need to specify in this format, and then close the bracket. So you will see here employee spent 12 years 7 months 24 days. Here 7 year 9 month 15 days. So you can see the days, months, years. Thanks for watching.